Today we have many men who are children trapped into adult bodies. Little boys. They're not willing to establish a family. They're not willing to take responsibility. They depend on the money that the wife makes. They sleep until 12 noon. They're always trying to seek comfort in life. And the father's role is very difficult, brothers and sisters, because the father wants to see his son to grow up and be responsible. Because the father knows the difficulty of life. He knows what's out there waiting for his son, for his boy. Responsibilities, agony, decision making. And if he is tough on your son, do not interfere, because his father also loves him and cares about him.